Hello everybody and welcome back to Yelan app. Do you want to be able to fix Messenger auto scene, or rather how you can actually turn off auto read on your Messenger? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually do this. So what you're going to do first is to just actually close your Messenger app, and instead you're going to go into your Facebook app that is connected to that Messenger. It's very important that you go into that specific Facebook account. And now what you're going to do, you're going to find menu. For me, it's in the bottom right corner, but for you, it might be in the top right corner instead. You just click on menu and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on help and support. So click on help and support, and then click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem, click on include in here, as you can see, and then you're going to be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now scroll down a little bit and click on messages, as you can see. So click on messages, and now you're going to write exactly like this to them: I want to turn off auto read on my Messenger. Please help me with this. So basically you need to write like this: I want to turn off auto read on my Messenger. Please help me with this. Of course, don't forget to click on send in the top right corner also. And perfectly, as you can see, my feedback has now been sent. This is basically a customer support inquiry like that I have sent to them now. And what I'm going to do now is to just wait, as I said, 24 to 48 hours, and then hopefully this will be able to be fixed for you as well.